Good evening. This is Dr. K. Jayachitra from Rajeshwari Testy Baby Center, Palladam, Tirupur. Today I'll say a few words about IUI. IUI is intrauterine insemination. It is one of the commonest procedure done in infertility centers nowadays. It is done in a couple in unexplained infertility with married life 2 years. It is also done in a couple where male partner has subnormal semen parameters or abnormal ejaculatory dysfunction. It is advised in a couple where female has got ovulatory dysfunctions in PCOS, mild or moderate endometriosis, vaginismus or poor cervical mucus. It is also done in male who have got no sperms, those who are called azoospermia. We usually do donor IUI for them. It is also done in a couple who have undergone few cycles of ovulation induction with timed intercourse which have not worked. So there are certain conditions in which we are not supposed to do IUI. We are not supposed to do IUI in certain tubal pathology, genital tract infections, severe endometriosis, and also in couple in husband who have got genetic abnormalities. So there are some prerequisites for IUI. The patient should have at least one tube patent and semen analysis should show at least more than 5 million of motile sperms with more than motility of 40%. And female should have definitely ovulate at least with the drugs. Now coming to the procedure, this procedure is relatively very simple. We start stimulating the female partner on day 2 of her menses with ovulation stimulation drugs, and we call her for monitoring the follicles. We may add gonadotropins for the further development of the follicles. After attaining certain size, we plan for trigger injection. These trigger injections will cause ovulation, that is rupture of egg from the follicle. After 36 hours of this trigger injection, patient usually ovulate. So we plan our IUI after 36 hours of trigger injection. In this procedure, what we do is after the collection of semen from the husband, we wash the semen sample so that we get highly motile sperms with no dead sperms or the debris. So we place this washed semen sample which contains highly active motile sperms into the uterine cavity very gently with using a special catheter. So what we do is we place a sperm very nearer to the egg. It helps to increase the pregnancy rate. So after doing one cycle of IUI, we usually get the result of 10 to 12%. But if we successively do for another 3 to 4 cycles, the success rates increases to 30%. So we usually do IUI for 3 to 4 cycles, and if we doesn't get any result with this IUI, we may proceed for IVF. Thank you.